Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It is Monday, June 26, 2023. It is 4:39 and 22 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, cancer immunotherapy. So let's hop to it here. The study hints on how cancer immunotherapy can be safer. Date June 21st, 2023. Source, Yale University. As cancer immunotherapy has revolutionized treatment of many forms of cancer by unleashing the immune system response against tumors. Immunotherapies that block checkpoint receptors like PD-1, proteins that limit the capacity of T cells to attack tumors, have become the choice for the treatment of numerous types of solid cancer. However, the introduction of PD-1 blocking agents can often result in T cells attacking healthy tissues, in addition to cancer cells, causing severe, sometimes life-threatening, side effects that can blunt the benefits of immunotherapy. A new study reveals new insights into how PD-1 functions to maintain healthy tissues. Findings can help scientists predict, treat, or even prevent the side effects of PD-1 blocking immunotherapies. While we know why blocking checkpoint receptors boosts anti-cancer immune responses, we don't understand why these immunotherapies also cause adverse events in normal organs. However, the emergence of these adverse events suggests that checkpoint receptors, like PD-1, are involved in the constant protection of healthy tissues from immune attack in normal individuals. And currently doctors are not able to predict which individuals are likely to develop such side effects and which healthy organs will be attacked as a consequence of immunotherapy. As side effects may prompt doctors to either suspend immunotherapy or prescribe immunosuppressants with negative consequences on the anti-cancer effects of immunotherapy. The findings show for the first time that PD-1 has a critical role in preventing T cells from attacking normal tissues in healthy individuals and may one day help find ways to reduce or prevent the side effects of immunotherapy. The scientific investigators and researchers developed new generation mouse models to address the role of PD-1 in preventing T cells from attacking healthy skin. They mimicked immunotherapy by blocking PD-1 and found mice developed some of the same skin disorders observed in cancer patients treated with PD-1 blockers. The data in mice and humans support a hypothesis that checkpoint receptors, like PD-1, function as gatekeepers of tissue homeostasis by allowing the presence of functional T cells in peripheral tissues without immunotherapy. They propose that PD-1 blocking immunotherapies interfere with these physiological regulatory functions, thus resulting in adverse events. This study lays the ground for the future development of improved immunotherapies that avoid adverse events. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.